The second quarter of 2017 continued to be challenging for our industry, with volatile prices making consistent results difficult to predict. However, we had a very strong quarter in terms of cash flow generation, with our net debt falling to 7.5 billion euros. The strength of our balance sheet has been recognized by S&P with a second update to our rating this year as they moved us from stable to positive outlook, the last step before retaining our BBB rating, one of the key objectives in our strategy. Overall, Repsol generated 496 million euros of net income in the quarter, around 44% higher than the same period last year, reflecting the progress that we've made in our efficiencies and synergies, along with consistent performance from both our upstream and downstream divisions. Production volumes in our upstream business averaged just under 680,000 barrels of oil a day. More importantly for me though, our first half average was well above the 680,000 barrel target for 2017. And in fact, our forecast for the end of the year may be even a touch more than this, depending on the consistent performance from our assets in Libya in the second half of the year. In our downstream business, refining had a tough quarter, with margins averaging around $6.20. This, however, was more than offset by fantastic performance from our petrochemicals business, where our operational teams continue to widen margins and increase volumes. In marketing, we saw seasonal increases in volumes of diesel and petrol sold from our service stations across the Iberian Peninsula, all of this adding to the results for the quarter. As we focus on the end of 2017, our teams remain committed to delivering production volume objectives, reducing our net debt below 7 billion euros, and delivering a synergies and efficiencies program that will recognize more than 2.1 billion euros of cash savings versus our 2015 baseline. That concludes my key messages for the second quarter 2017. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my video, and I look forward to meeting and talking with many of the investors and analysts over the coming months.